If you advertise a large number of jobs on MD Job Site, you might find it more practical to take advantage of our batch upload service rather than just managing your jobs using the site tools. In order to get that started, you're going to need to see the specs to set up your file, so I'll show you where that is. Log into your account, and at the bottom here under Administrator Tools, you'll find Batch Job Uploads, Excel or XML formats. So you can send us an Excel file containing your jobs, and we'll upload those up to once a week. We upload every week. If you want to send it less frequently, that's fine, but we upload once a week, so you can send it every week. And then you can also create an XML feed which we'll pull from once a week to upload your jobs. And I'll show you both of these. The Excel instructions page, first it explains that there's a $50 a month service fee for the batch upload service. Then it's going to tell you what all of the columns in your Excel file are going to need to be. These are the headers in red, and along with some notes about the kind of data that'll appear in each column. We use ID numbers for the job categories, the specialties on MD Job Site, so the full table of those is listed for you here. We also have codes for states, and those are here, including the job or the state metro areas. See, Alabama, Birmingham, Alabama, Mobile, and so on. Those are listed for you as well. You can just use the state ones if you want, but you can use the metro areas if you prefer. Scrolling further down past all that, we also have some IDs for job duration, whether it's permanent or locum tenens and so on. And be sure to click this. This will give you a sample file to show you what a good Excel file for batch uploads would look like. It'll show you the column headers and give you good examples of the kind of data that goes in each one. So take a look at that when you're setting it up. If you have any questions, you can submit this form to ask us, and we'll get back to you with further explanation. Now let's check out the XML instructions page. It's going to look really similar. Again, it talks about the service fee for batch uploads. It has the same fields, the same codes for states and for specialties. But instead of giving you a sample file, it gives you just a sample of what each job might look like in your XML feed. So just take a look at this. We do need, if we're going to pull an XML feed for you, we do need it to be set up in this way. We're not able at this point to grab an existing feed that you have for another site or something like that. So the full kind of setup is here for you. Again, if you need to ask us any questions, or you want to send us a finished link so we can check it out, see if there's anything that needs to be fixed up, you can submit that using this form here. And then, once everything's done, you're going to want to send, if you're doing the Excel file batch uploads, you'll want to send that to batchuploads@oismedia.com, and you can send that once a week or less frequently if you prefer. And you can also send us your link to your XML feed at that same email address if you like, and we'll just confirm that we have it and that we'll start pulling from it once a week.